The best 3D camcorder of this year 2011-2012 is this JVC Everio GS-TD1. Automatic and manual 3D function give everything needed to shoot perfect 3D stereoscopic videos. The highest possible 3D quality is ensured with JVC future-proof 2x Full HD format, or you can choose to use side-by-side AVC HD format for editing with all standard video editing system. A pair of high-quality f1.2 zoom lenses make for great quality shooting of 2D and 3D pictures and movies in both good and poor light conditions. For those reasons, it has won an EISA award.